Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. I hope everyone had an amazing 4-day weekend and you got to spend some time outside. I think 3 of the 4 days were nice enough to get outside. So today we are going to be reading nonfiction and reading, and you have some choices. You can read your own nonfiction book of your choice for 20 minutes, or you could read a nonfiction book from Epic. Or there's an article called Celebrating Kids that's attached that you could click on and you could read that as well. After you're finished reading, date your reader's notebook with today's date, April 14th, and write down what the main topic of your book was. So, for example, if you were reading a book about tigers, then the main topic would be tigers, and then write down 3 interesting facts you learned about tigers. And in your lesson, there's a little graphic organizer to show you how you could do that. Today, go ahead and practice your snap words. Practice reading and writing them for 5 minutes. And then there's some different ways you could practice them this week. You could use sidewalk chalk, and I got that idea from some of you have already been doing that and sent me pictures, and I thought that was an amazing idea. You could use your crayons, your markers, uh, write your snap words in a creative way. Maybe you want to make them rainbow looking. Also, pick 3 or 4 snap words and write your snap words in sentences or illustrate them. Make sure to log the date and what you did for each activity. For writing, work on your writing for 20 minutes. This week, we're going to share our very best poem on Friday, so be watching for details. Today, use your 5 senses to create a poem that describes an object in or around your house. So maybe you wanted to do your TV. What are 5 senses could you use to describe your TV? Also, for optional, you can choose to write your nonfiction book, a fictional narrative story, an opinion story, or a narrative. So you have some choices in writing, a lot of choices actually. In math, choose one of the following activities. So there's several that you can choose from. You don't have to do them all. On a sheet of paper, put today's date, subtract 2-digit from 2-digit numbers. Or grab some spoons from the kitchen. Make sure to check with your parents. Use the spoons to measure 5 objects around your house. For example, my pillow is 5 spoons long. Play 1, 2, 3, go with someone in your house. Each person holds up a number with their hand, and whoever tells the correct sum of both hands first wins. Each player may use 1 hand or 2 hands. Let's exercise. Do jumping jacks and skip count by 2s, 5s, and 10s. Or you could help your family make sandwiches for lunch. Cut the sandwiches into halves, thirds, fourths, sixths, or eighths. Go outside and collect as many leaves, rocks, and sticks as you can. Make a tally chart to show how many of each you collected. Which item did you have the most of, or the least? And then for an optional activity is to do reflex, and you can always do that anytime that you want. For social studies, oceans, lakes, and rivers, watch the video to learn about the different types of water forms. Today's special is counseling, coping with worries, and you can do this with someone you feel safe to talk with. That's everything for today, boys and girls. Lots of fun, different activities. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.